morning, everyone, from our room. Alright, so last night we missed the balloon party with all the balloons. I was so exhausted I fell asleep, and Ariel said that she tried to wake me up and I did not wake up. Right, today is day 2 and we're just gonna hang out on the ship. We're gonna get some breakfast and we're going to do the slide. Ariel wants to do the stairs. Yes. Again. So she's still on the stairs. There she is. She says she's not done. We've been here for like 10 minutes.
We're headed to the Abyss slide. We're gonna have some fun.
I'm scared. This is scary. Got off the slide and Ariel's over here climbing in this thing, and then I looked and they're over here practicing. How cool.
And they have real ice cream, but you have to pay for it. Wow.
Wow, I want that. Yeah. Although I think there's a whole bunch of lollipops.
No, it's just one big one.
I think
it's just one big lollipop.
they have my favorite. Ooh, and Tahitian. And triple chocolate, and strawberry, and mango fiesta, and orange sherbet, and raspberry.
And a field of jelly bellies. So many jelly beans.
I want these and these. Not those, not that. Not that, not that. These and this. Not that, not that. Not that. And this. Not that. I saw that. This and this. And this. To the other side. You're ever gonna eat them? Yes. Questions science cannot answer. Mango's green. Mangoes are green.
Grapefruit?
Those gummy bears. She likes the spicy ones, but I don't get the point of spicy candy.
Alright.
Sour Patch Kids.
Oh my goodness.
And then that's it, okay?
Okay.
With the few that we got, it cost $7 for this little bit of candy, so never again. It's like $1 an ounce because it was seven ounces or something like that, and it cost me $7.15.
We're headed back to the room because I have to take this jacket off. I put the jacket on because you have to wear sleeves to do the slide. All right, we are headed to the water slide. All right, Ariel spent a ton of time in the water. So now we are headed to the room. I'm having so much fun not
having to carry a key and just
Booping.
booping, as Ariel called it.
But this is not a window. Yeah.
Interesting.
Remember, the ultimate abyss slide is scary if you're ever planning to go.
I wouldn't call it a lollipop. I would call it a lolly balloon.
Oh my